how to use Remitly to receive money. Waiting for money from abroad? Here's how to receive funds through Remitly. So first, through bank deposit. The sender chooses your bank and funds go directly into your account with SMS or email confirmation. Second would be cash pickup. Go to a partner outlet, bring a valid ID and reference number, and claim your money instantly. Third, GCash wallet. The sender selects GCash and funds appear directly in your balance with SMS confirmation. And option 4, home delivery. In selected provinces, a courier delivers cash to your address, so show valid ID to receive. So the requirements would always be to bring a valid ID and ensure your name matches the sender's detail and verify your GCash or bank account. And that is how to use Remitly to receive money.